This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials. You need a Google account, a compatible phone, and the Google Fit app installed. Once done, open the app and accept required permissions so sensors and background activity work. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on if you plan to pair a watch or tracker. This prevents pairing failures later. Finally, add basic profile info, age, height, weight, so Fit can calculate calories and goals accurately and immediately. Now you'll connect devices and authorize integrations. Go to Settings, select Devices, and pair your watch or tracker. Follow on-screen pairing prompts and accept data sharing. Next, open companion apps like Strava or Sleep and set Google Fit as the primary health data destination so steps and workouts sync. Make sure background app refresh and battery optimization exceptions are enabled so syncing runs reliably. Otherwise, data may delay or stop, which undermines progress tracking. Finish by personalizing goals and checking sync status. You'll set daily step or move targets in profile goals, then verify that recent activities appear. If something is missing, force a manual sync in settings, manage connected apps, or open the paired devices app to push data. If problems persist, restart your phone, reauthorize Fit permissions, or reinstall the app. This clears permission glitches and often restores normal syncing so your data stays up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.